So late na tayo naka-upload ng video ng ganito, no? So let's introduce you the Origin OS 6 Global. So thank you Vivo Concept Store SM City Bacolod for making this happen. So ito sa atin is yung Vivo X300 Pro Global na na-introduce. So introduce natin yung Origin OS 6 sa China at Global. So in this image, this is the Origin OS Global and this is the CN-ROM na Origin OS 6. And as you can see, yung Origin OS 6 na CN-ROM is at the right side, whereas dito is nasa left side. Vivo share sa CN Global, pwede pa rin makashare. Like na mention ko about this is meron tayong office kit, which is also the same thing sa iQOO 13 ko. Of course, both my control center, yung Origin OS 6 sa Global at CN. As expected, wala yung vital customization sa Vivo, which is yung mood cube. Ang ginawa lang dito is color and style. Pero at least meron pa tayong menus para sa customizations. And sa lock screen, expected naman dito na meron siyang Vivo widgets sa lock screen. And heto naman yung wala sa Origin OS 6 is of course yung expandable icons na size. Pero at least meron tayong dynamic island, oh. And yun lang yung ma-expect ko na ma-compare ko sa Origin OS 6 ng Vivo sa CN at sa Global. So yun lang. Hope you helped. So this is Tech Dolphin. Stay awesome and don't forget to follow for more.